Lazy Benin men wey no dey work. Where woman put for house, even your woman even get mad when they talk. Eh? Una put man for house, una they feed man. Person wey no one do and say, I'd rather be alone, I'd rather be a single mom than to put obey where lazy man put for house. Una come dey laugh and say you no get man for house. What rise? Who no get man better pass una? When you carry man una they feed put for house. Man no they work. Ma edeveba erwa rwavi gayi. Una carry lazy house me put for house. Me they not talk say I not get ma. Eh? Who not get ma better pass who get husband? Husband not they work. If you want go Nigeria, you get one, you go get wife for house. Put that one, go they look for another shentro. Shentro, they play shentro. Woman go buy ticket for her to go to Nigeria. Lodge and put for hotel. And you and your wife come and sit on they talk. Say, if they find my husband, bola. Eh? Old woman, the woman don't cry, come out now. Una come they saga the woman, say, no man now. If they find my husband, bola. That your small Pinocchio husband, bola. Eh? Ah, you go put man, obey when man put for us in then winner. That obey when man come they talk to responsible working class single mom. Single mom wey get 5 children, you still wake up for money, go work, and take off children. The Lord went to go carry, only one woman go carry her. You come they talk say, you not get man for house. I'd rather not to have man than to have lazy man. When woman go wake up for money, go work, the man will still dey bed. Or they live video, they do saga, they saga women. Eh? For me to add that camera, I'd rather remain single mom than I go put man for house. Now me or they feed the man. The man want go Nigeria, and me go buy ticket for him. Go carry credit. Go carry phone or credit. A phone of what 2,000 euro. Go give for one obey with lazy man. Make people not laugh me. Say I be single mom. Make people not laugh me. Say I not get man for house. I'd rather remain single. The man they spend for useless, obewe, lazy, some Benin men, negbogbe. Some Benin men, where no one do. And that one thing they call my husband, and my husband. Husband will not they provide for house. Because make people not laugh you. Carry obewe man, will not get work. Lazy man, run away father association there. They look for women where get money. Or they look for women where get documents. Eh? Run away father association there. You say I don't want to talk to run because he not get man. Which kind of stupid, lazy man where not get work? May they not laugh me say I don't get man. I can't they die in silence. Say in the morning I go wake up 5 o'clock. The man will still dey bed. See now they set up be this all this obey way me. Now he be this obey way as you see and so. If you want go Nigeria na woman, money where you go spend for Nigeria na woman. Now woman go put her for hotel. Now woman go buy ticket for her. In one shop na woman. As he just big rich. He get children for Spain where run live. Run away father association then na they be this. We go run away from their responsibility. Nothing they fit do. Where that video where the woman cry come and say don't chop him money. Now this one that they call chairman negbogbe. A chairman never take off him more. A chairman not less a moi, eh? A chairman obewe. A chairman negbogbe. Eh? A chairman no man the moya one, eh? Invite people to follow and share. Where is AB page? Man, go look for that video. A chairman A chairman of what the ticket in Nigeria. A chairman of what the laptop in na. A chairman of what the bosses in na. A chairman of what he get chop money a buckety. A chairman neck book but not run away from his responsibility. No mama to take off him more. Is that why a chairman? A chairman no man no more ya live here. A chairman no bear way. A chairman a lazy man. How do you have to be a chairman? Eh? Oh, well, they are not to talk to run because he not get man for her. Now the Jews left depressed. Eh? Frustrate.
Monica.
Monica. Now your head be this.
When I do so, I tell the people when they enter house.
When they enter house. Wow. If they tell me. When I go to a page.
Monica.
Please invite people to follow their nyash door.
They go again.
The woman where this man play throw, the woman don't cry, come out. Oh. Now you can't know. They thought say make them no manner. Say na old woman, 60 years old woman. They want some mama. You even they call yourself some mama. How old are you? Going to 50 years. You are run away, papa. You are run away, father. Una be age mate. You they call yourself say you be some mama. Say or they look for some mama. Say na 60 years old woman. Then you chop her money. He buy laptop for you. He buy ticket for you. You they chop her money. You don't know say na 60 years old woman before you go they chop her money. All this kind me. He ain't David ba. He ain't Roi Vigai. He ain't ni agwa bonje. Every bank. Golidara. Now just do shentro, small shentro, small shentro. Obey we lazy ma. I nepo masse no few. I nepo. Ma we no fit take care of children. You don't know how children take grow. He run away. All this run away father set up. Now run away father set up. Run away. They will run away. They don't know how their children take grow. They go run away. Now they will still call they talk. Say I don't want talk to run. No, because he not get ma. Now you wait can't get that woman say I get husband. That one not be husband no. May they not laugh you. And you are dying silent there. You are dying. You are not happy. Money when you take supposed to buy something for yourself, take care of your children. You they spend that for obey way lazy men. When their wife go wake up 5 o'clock, go work, they'll still dey bed. Or early morning, around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, don't they live video? Yeah? You are back? Are you back from training? Gracious, are you back? Yes. Okay, how was your training? How was your training? C'est bien. Ah, you carry cup. My son carry cup. You carry cup. See cup on the light. You see my son?
One best player of the tournament.
See, he just carry cup. He's coming from training.
No, tournoi.
Tournoi. What is tournoi in English?
Tournament.
Tournament. You see my son? He's coming from Paris.
No.
You see? Put them inside here. You see, coming from Paris, na single mom, they run now. You see, See the cup from the tournament. Eh? From Marlene signer. See her. Now single mom. Not this obey where not they invest. See her. See everything. See her. From Paris. From the club Marlene. Eh? Go Paris. Go different city. You see her. Now single mom. All those obey men we not know our children till they live. My son is a footballer. When my daughter is in university studying George. Now single mother they run now. They go run. See tournament. They go run leave Peking. Almost Benin men. One of the big club for this city, they know her. Marlene. Now he signed my son. Marlene. From 16 years now, they'll start to collect money. You see her? See her can't let the Guinea. Now she be the cartel of the team. If my son not there, they not they complete. Some of them men, they go run away. I know how much I they pay. From 16 years now, don't start to pay. From 16. Now that time I can't start to enjoy. Now my son go buy me my car. From 16 years. Now time I can't get and go for my driving. Now he go buy me car. My car. Now he go buy me. From 3 years from now. All these obey women, neck obey women. That's why I don't like to show my son again. That's why I go delete a picture. I go hide them. All these obey women, when you go run away, they're not the plan for the future of the children. They're not the plan. One of the best club in this city, Marlene. From Marlene to beat Paris Saint-Germain. Go and Google it, Marlene. See the cup when they are tournament. Now he be the captain. See ya. You just coming from training. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Eh? Benin me. Don't say my own name. I want the picking for you. May you carry picking. Now you go suffer around. You don't know, say, you they made that woman strong. Look at Messi. Messi Agbe. Her daughter just graduated from University of Canada. Messi Agbe was a single mom. Her daughter just graduated. And she was crying. Messi Agbe was crying seeing her daughter graduate. She was a single mom. Yes, her daughter just graduated. Give my daughter from 5 years from now, from 6 years from now. She will graduate. George, invest on your children. You don't born. Concentrate on your children. Not because of bola. You don't born. Which kind of bola you want carry? After you don't born 4 children, 5 children. Some women, some single mom, they don't concentrate on their children. Even bola wa munya. Though they look for bola, they carry different type of bola called us where children did. Though they carry different bola called where children, they know they respect their children, they know they plan. Okay, may I surprise their father when he run away from their responsibility not to take care of children. You go surprise them. My son get personal coach where he come the carrier. Anywhere where he go to play foot. Paris, Rouen, Marseille. Anywhere. Eh? All this kind man. This one. Where Jebo? This man don't know how he begin to become. How he begin to grow. How he begin to grow. You don't know. You don't know that the children this small way run away. The children, they will elite you. You don't know. Now she can go social media where they call Shema. Shema, normal Shema. Shema, normal than I coco more than the moya wine. Shema, normal than no more do ya some more would become are the children. Now that they respect. Chairman will not fit take off his responsibility as a father. Now that one that they call Chairman will have abandon Runaway Father Association there. Runaway Father. Now that they call Chairman, a Chairman ne gbogbe. A Shema, nation tro. Shema, where woman they buy ticket for to go Nigeria. Shema, where woman they buy phone. Now the same as some woman they look for the video for AB Paris page. I not see her. I be not being be this. Shema, where woman they buy laptop. See, and I be this. Chairman, no man than the moya wine. See, now chairman, best way call himself chairman. Now the saga woman so. Now they every morning, no they go work, he made go wrong, go work. Woman go wake up, see my son, see the cup where he carry come. My son, see the cup. A big club, no club. See, now me they run now. See all the medal where don't carry. You see, you see all the medal. You see, different. You see, they just sign now. Big club, Malay. From 16 years now, you start to carry money. Buy me car. From 16 years. From 3 years from now. They all disobey where some of Benin men were born, run away. And I get daughter from university. Benin men were run away. Now this one they make live video every morning where abandon children. They don't know how children take grow. They don't know the suffer where you suffer. On that cold, I go carry my children. On the sea now, on that cold don't come. Because then they help me. My son, they drop Derrick. You'll still go pick Derrick. You can't go training. Tomorrow, all this suffer, I can't enjoy and one person can't come out. See, obey where woman they buy ticket for. He wife till they get mad where till they talk. I be big man. I be chairman. Then they carry me for chairman. What right now woman they buy ticket for you. Now woman go buy laptop give you. Now woman money. Run away Father Association then night they be. Run away. Ni mende ni moya mwe. Ni mende na ya koke moe. As a single mom, I'm working 7 hours. That is why anything hungry me, I dey buy am for myself. See, I go carry one stupid man, come they spend my money for her. When I get children, all my children now iPhone 14, iPhone 12, now that they use. Now that they spend for me to go carry one obey with man. Come go buy phone. Go buy phone for one, go use my credit card. Or go carry phone or credit. This woman will not share, where she no cash. Say go carry phone or credit. He buy a ticket of 1.5. He buy a me rent hotel for run. When you get children, I can't spend my money for one useless bola. When my children very soon, now give me 5 years, I'll become a grandma. If my daughter finished in 6 years' time now to marry. Go see Mercy Agbe. She was a single mom. Her daughter just graduated from University of Canada. And she was crying. And that is what I would do. Maybe 6 years' time, my daughter graduates. I don't happy. She was crying as a single mom. Most celebrities, they are single mom. Before she now remarried, she was crying, say her daughter feel make her proud. Finished from University of Canada. Yeah, just graduated. Yes. Give my daughter from now to 6 years, because now George, 6 years to 7 years. When she will be 24 or 25, she don't graduate. Go see car when my daughter say want go buy. Almost 80,000 euro car. He said the one way Papa buy for around 10,000 be 15. The Papa never ever give him key safe. All this obey way. I a responsible man wake up for morning. Not be say they motivate or I'm going to work. But doing saga with women, sagging women, obey women, sagging women, calling women ashawo, listening to obey way, run away father association there. We no our children. We no our children take make her. The suffer where the woman suffer on that snow so start to the fall now. On that snow, I will be inside the snow, dropping running for crash, going to work. Tomorrow now, my son can't buy me private jets. Or I can't go holiday. That time can't they do CC Echo. Don't say go see and you don't abandon your papa. They don't remember the suffer where only you want to suffer. Abandoning the children for you alone. Your children can't they carry you like egg. Tomorrow now, all of them can come out. Or my son can become a star tomorrow. Don't press, blogger, don't come the blog and say abandon the papa. The time where you need the father most, where is the father? That is why I'm doing video to go and keep it for evidence. Because I know where my son is going to. That is what I'm doing. Run away, father, where are you? Not be say tomorrow I don't call they enjoy my labor. Don't say, if mama no gree. That is what I'm doing. Not that I'm just staggering him. I'm doing it. Because I know where my son is going to. Give him 3 years from now. See, couple in Karen, I be the captain. Every day is going for training, school training. If they do the two together, he get coach where can they carry and they pay extra money. Me with government. That is why I'm working. Tomorrow now, bloggers, all of them. See, I'm abandon the papa. You don't remember papa. Even the family, not even they ask for the children. Tomorrow now, una can't come out. Who was here? Who? Una go sleep. Una not wake up. Yes. Una go sleep. Una not go wake up. Only the suffer. Well, let me want suffer. Tomorrow now, can they drive private jet? They go for vacations. They do everything. Can they enjoy? No, they enjoy. I know they go party. I know they go anywhere. Work children. Time before my 60 years, I say, okay, they don't grow. They don't make. Can they enjoy myself? One idiot who can come out. Una go sleep. Una not wake up. Una man not go touch ground that time. Una man not go touch ground. After I don't suffer, the children don't become somebody. The other, my daughter, they play basket. Now, so that one see they from school, don't enter basket. From school, yesterday, that's why I tell my daughter, say, you go stop, oh. How you close from school, 4:30, you know, rest, you go basket. Una come at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I even they tell my second daughter, say, Fanny, this is your basket. From school, enter basket. And una start school 8 o'clock in the morning. Don't call reach us 8 o'clock. From school, enter basket. Even my son, from school, enter Coach Oko career, enter. After all this suffer now, one useless runaway, obey father, runaway father association there, or come out. Say, is my son, press, blogger, he abandon, he see where papa they stay. That blogger, I go buy time that come where. I say, go see my videos. Mona go they wallow my video when I they call the father. Mona go wallow the video come out. Because me where they do the video, not because I just carry the do and they do it for purpose. Because you see what in the apple so. Like Mubad. Now mama come they come and say mama abandon and this one do one. And let papa stand for her. That time the family, even the family, they not even they ask for the children because they say I not give their papa paper. Even the family, they not even they ask for the children. They say because I not give their papa paper. That time I can't come out. Una man no touch ground. Una heart no touch ground. Yes, under the snow, under the cold, only me. Una heart or una man not go touch ground that time. See the cup. See, you see, now it be captain. If you not there, I'm no. I'm Yahoo, now my son be. That's why that video when I put that in club, I don't go hide there. I'm Yahoo, no. All this male bewe negbogbe depressed elementi. O ma deve ba marwa guy woman do me well. I not fit talk to woman will not get ma. Woman will not get ma. It better pass you. Woman will not get ma. See our children. Not be saying na ma o. Ma not deal with her. They see our children. My children know they give me problem. My children is very responsible, very respectful, and very intelligent. My daughter never say come back from school. Now around 8, around 7, that one till they come back. And if they go around 7 o'clock. They get 2 weeks holiday from today. After all this suffer, all this one negbogbe, no matter the moya one, when woman see they buy tickets, when woman they buy buses, when woman they give money. You say be big mind they go Nigeria. So now woman they buy you ticket to go Nigeria. Don't they call a chairman? A chairman negbogbe. A chairman no ma deve ba marwa ravigai. Ere banke go lidara. O mari no ma dai. O huo mwe here. O the migo kere neve social media na wag bonfo. O ma ya wina. O ma plane o de joge. O ma koke mo. O ma vene mo ya nwa Now that one that they call say chairman. A chairman no huo mujo wa. Only the my husband. You will they feed husband. You see, I'm not the man, obey man, I they talk so. Obey man.
No, we are going on. Why me no go down? No go down. I can you go in la wa gbe. Oh we
na husband and wife o. So na saga husband and wife dey do. So na me o.
Why you go to social media? Then why do social media as that? But where is it? Why do social media as well? Young boy, and why you say now? Now they wait for now. Who are where young boy? Then why you who are dead? Who are dead?
Now husband and wife oh. You see now husband no. Husband.
You are not ashamed. You are not ashamed. Esila boss mama so whenever kokoko. Ewe kokoko. Ewe kokoko. No su wagbon. Ewe kokoko.
You see a bini me, some bini me.
Oh, wagbon. Ogion pa conglomerate. Papa Allah we gbe wagbon. Ese yo Ogono se Morocco.
Centro, Obewe. Runaway Father Association there. Now it be this. Yes, oh mama.
Akpasubi no yek bag borouin iba bora fie kule lo wa yek ya we gbeleku when e gwa mwe bogbe
Sia o
no ga mi oka
Obewe. You no get work. Na to the saga women.
una ya same wo
See wife say they follow am. My husband.
no man leave am make dey measure money can name ogun bad down Ewe mo era wo kana la jona mo po video wa we era wo kana mo po video wa we
You when they talk say make the Murphy go work. Madam, your husband they work. Madam, your husband they work. Your husband now Obewe now. Your husband not see they work. You they talk say make the Murphy go work. Your husband they work. Your husband where woman they carry, where woman buy ticket. Your husband not they work now. I mean the Murphy ya winner. See husband and wife. They call another woman say mama na ashawo. Don't get wife for house. So beneath me, don't get wife for house. Their wife. So beneath me, don't they send their wife go runs. Don't they house. Don't say their wife, make their wife go they sleep with another man. They bring money come house. That will not be abomination. Don't they have they send their wife, especially this one, Runaway Father Association. Now they be friend now. The father of my children and this man, they are friends at the same time they take on Europe. 99 be 98. Now so this one still wrong. Abandon children for Spain, call Germany. They be tight friend. Now so they do a bunch away. Runaway Father. That's why I say no one can talk to me because of a friend. Not to want to say Sagami. I don't get that's why I know the Sagami. I don't get anything to talk about me. Nothing to talk about me. Nothing. The wife not talk to the man. Stop. The man not talk to the wife because of social media money.
Monica Ragbu, Ragbo. Uwe Fanejo Moragbu, Warasu, Warago.
Even the woman even bad land for the man. That woman a foolish woman. You know, say the man get wife for house. You know, say the man get wife for house. You go they spend buy land for the man, buy tickets. So women they are desperate too. So women, even you where they talk, you were there, so you are very desperado. Because me they not laugh me. Una carry lazy men put for house. Desperado women. So women are very desperate. I want get husband by force, by fire. I want use my money to buy husband put for house. May they not come laugh me. And you people are dying in silence. Eh? How can a woman, you know, say the man get a woman for us, you go to buy land, buy ticket, buy laptop, buy phone. Desperado women. Desperado. You see them, they talk about story. If you see this one story.
Here's how I would flip $1,000 if I was.
Can you imagine? That woman did desperate too. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? So women are desperate too. You know, say the man get woman for house. You can't go they build that for run. Desperate, desperado women. Can you imagine? You buy phone of 1,000 plus, give man will get woman for half. So women are desperate too. Money when you take buy phone for man, you not get picky. You not feel use better phone. Okay. Voila. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? You not fit buy phone for your pikin. You gonna buy phone for man. Man, not be say the man a single man. Man will still get woman for house. See, Anna, they say you not buy phone for your own pikin. You go to buy phone for man. Buy land for man. Why some women they're very desperate? Eh? Money while take care of my children. I can't they spend that for one useless, lazy man because of bola. Because of bola. Eh? My daughter, they use iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now me buy it for her last year when the phone just come out. My children, they use iPhone 12. Money what I'm supposed to spend for my children, can't they spend that for one useless bola? Eh? All my children are iPhone that they use. Even run away, they small now. That one still get phone. Me, I don't order iPhone 15 for me. Now waiting I want. For me to go give one useless man. I'll use one for myself and for my children. Why some women, they're very desperate. Desperado women. Make them not laugh me. Make them not call me single man. You go use money to go buy map or buy way lazy man put for house. You see how they disgrace themselves, husband and wife, and side chick where they buy phone, where they buy land. Side chick. He said an old woman, they find her husband. You see her now. And the woman still get man for her. So. If it no. Even they say not be honorary harm, no. The man they use ojuju for the women. I know this ajebo. They say they use ojuju. Not be their clear hair. And how you get children? They say the woman children not get better phone. Eh? How you get children? You not buy better phone for you, your own pikin. You go they carry 1,800 phone, go give one useless, lazy, obewe, shentro pure, shentro gigolo. Nigeria people na gigolo na no people. All this shentro, they call the shentro here. Nigeria na gigolo. You go buy phone for one gigolo ma. You not buy iPhone for your pikin. Because of Bola, you go carry iPhone worth 2,000 euro. Go buy land. Buy a ticket for just one useless fanny or lazy man. Why some Benin women, they very desperado. You don't born. Take off your children. Some women are very desperate. May they not laugh me. May they not call me single mom. You can't spend the money what you're supposed to spend for your children. You're going to spend that for one gigolo man. Gigolo. This man a gigolo. All in life, since when he call Europe, now woman carry and call Europe. All in life now gigolo. Shentro pure. You just the gigolo every women. They play them. He leave one for abandoned children for Spain. Come Germany, come they do gigolo. They gigolo everywhere. Gigolo women, single mom, they gigolo there, they collect their money. Money where government they pay, they're supposed to take off their children or the woman, the man. I don't know. Some women now they desperate. May I stop her here? Please, guys, thumbs up and like. Let me go cook for my children. Thumbs on because holiday day now make me just stay long like this. If to say not be holiday, but don't cut this video. Please go cook for my children. Because they are in holiday, they have 2 weeks holiday. Maybe I will continue tomorrow. Share, invite your friend. You people start sharing, by month end. The people that share, people that invite people, send me your screenshots. Let me see before I can credit you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Let me go and cook for my children. Bye.